In National Institute of Ophthalmology, since 1994, we are doing number correction laser with the help of excimer laser. This was started for the first time in 1994 in Maharashtra in National Institute of Ophthalmology. In this technology, excimer laser is used, and with the help of excimer laser, the corneal surface is reshaped so that the cornea starts acting like your glasses as well. Initially, when this procedure started, only a procedure called PRK was done. It was a surface laser. So only the corneal surface was reshaped with the help of excimer laser that used to correct the number. Over last 25 years, slowly there have been many advances in this technology. We have treated thousands of patients, and the results have been very satisfactory.
Why should you undergo refractive laser surgery? The goal of laser surgery is to remove dependency on glasses or contact lenses. To do this, laser is employed to reshapen the front part of the eye, which is the cornea. There are various techniques of refractive surgery like LASIK, femtolasic, contura, SMILE, etc., by which the number is reduced.
The most appropriate and suitable procedure for the patient is decided with the help of few tests. We perform corneal mapping, that is corneal topography, and we measure corneal thickness with the help of pachymetry. So depending on the result, we can decide suitable procedure for you. NIO has been a pioneer in adapting new technologies in the field of refractive surgery, and that's why we are having Contura LASIK. So Contura LASIK is nothing but customization of refractive surgery for your eye. So before selecting individual patient, we perform few additional scan and we identify minor irregularities which are present in your eye, and those data we send to machine, and machine directly smoothen out those irregularities.
There are a few guidelines or precautions which need to be taken before you undertake the refractive surgery. Please ensure that you strictly avoid contact lenses for at least 1 week prior to the tests or the procedure. On the day of surgery, have breakfast at least 80 minutes to 90 minutes before the procedure. Avoid using any kind of eye makeup. Avoid using any perfume or deodorant. Once you arrive at the hospital, a preoperative checkup will be done. The duration of the procedure will be approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Post-operative guidelines will be strict use of eye goggles for at least 1 week after the procedure. Avoid sleeping on your sides. Whenever you put drops, you may notice that the eyes look red slightly. That is nothing to be worried about. There will be some amount of discomfort and watering immediately after the procedure, which will persist for about 3 to 4 hours. After that, you should be absolutely comfortable. Vision will be blurred or hazy for a while. After a while, it will start clearing up as the drops are put in the eye. Avoid having head bath for at least 8 days to 10 days. In case of any problems, you are expected to contact the hospital immediately.
Like in every surgery, refractive surgery also has its complications, and some of the complications include difficulty in driving at night. Some patients may experience dry eye. Some patients experience that their recovery in one eye is slightly better or slightly slower compared to the other eye. Thanks to the advances in the science and technology, luckily these complications have become less frequent now, and laser refractive surgery is nowadays one of the most commonly performed surgeries, and it's also considered as one of the safest surgeries performed on the eye.